What's up, YouTube? So we have this Ford twin turbo EcoBoost 2018 with a 119 on the clock. Never been tuned up. Probably never had a GDI service either. There is a new air filter. So I have two spark plugs out. Let's take a look. So, definitely got some fouling going on. Some. Deposits. Alright. So, in my opinion, 120,000 miles, those conditions there, just cut the mileage in half and half the deposits. That would almost be still a okay spark plug. So I can't stress it more. Sooner maintenance than later maintenance. 30, 60, 90. This is a boosted vehicle. You definitely don't want misfires and detonations. And what do you think's going on with those spark plugs? But not enough to damage the catalytic converter. In most cases, if the engine light is flashing for a period of time, you're damaging the catalytic converter, and usually the damage is already done. Thanks for watching.